Hi, my name is Saad Chalabi. I'm CEO of Xcube, a newly formed fintech aiming to strengthen the competitiveness of capital markets in Dubai.
Hi, my name is Albara. I'm 17 years old. I'm in grade 12 and I'm from Uptown International School.
Hey, how's it going?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good, very good. Tell me, what comes to mind when I say trading?
Well, I have traded online with my friends. Is that what you mean? And my dad also bought shares up on his phone, and he's really excited about that.
Yeah, well, that's a start. Do you know that your dad's not actually buying those shares on the phone like he's ordering a pizza? He's actually contacting a broker, and the broker is then placing those trades on an exchange like the Dubai Financial Market. They also have other products like gold, commodities, like oil, and also derivatives. Derivatives are financial products that give you, as like a vehicle that gives you access to a certain underlying. DFM and Nasdaq Dubai, there are futures on stocks, for instance, like Emmar. And those futures give you the ability to actually invest like a tenth of what you need to invest. So let's say you want to get 100 shares, you only need to pay the amount of 10 shares, roughly.
But how do I benefit from that?